What's good? This is H back with another 12 Hub TV video. This one's gonna be another wear test video for y'all, and it is on a shoe I've been waiting for a while. Y'all may not be familiar with this box. These just started being mass produced, but it's an Air Zoom. It's got a Nike check. If you recognize this already, you will see it is special. What does that mean? I don't know. But look, boom. Alphafly next percent. Let us go. Alright, so the Alphafly next percent. Open up. Look. Boom. First time I'm looking at these, by the way. Boom. Oh, look at this. That's cool. Comes with a bag. It's like one of those nice. It's one of those nice, like, turned into a backpack type of thing, so you can carry your stuff. So that's awesome. You might just keep on that. Papers, pretty basic. Just has the branding, Air Zoom on that. Nothing special, nothing crazy to see here. But these. This is the crazy right here. Look at this. This shoe I've been looking at for a while. I wanted to get the Vault in black colorway. Check that out right there. That one's nice. That's a nice one. They were very limited. Actually, I had early access to it, but I did not pick up on it. I wasn't aware of what this shoe was and everything. And for me, being semi a runner, it's something I wanted to do because I want to get back into running. Dude, this shoe right here is the craziest running shoe out in the market right now. Forget about Ultra Boost, forget about Hoka, whatever, and their crazy looking shoes. These, if you run distance, this is the shoe to get. The Alphafly next percent. Zoom Air next percent. I'm so intrigued by this shoe. I watched a ton of videos on it. I saw the what's inside it video too, and a bunch of track previews, all that stuff. It's engineered by the world record holder for the fastest marathon, Eliud Kipchoge. Eliud Kipchoge. I can't say his name. I just messed it all up. But this man ran a marathon in 1 hour, 59 minutes, 40 seconds. He broke the world record, his own world record, I believe, in these shoes. Ran it in under 2 hours, a marathon. That's 26.2 miles, people. I don't know what that is in kilometers, but it is very, very fast. I mean, not necessarily fast. I think the strides, when it comes to long distance running, it's more about your strides and how you pace yourself. So if the less strides you take, the longer strides you take, the faster you are, technically. That's why these people run like 5-minute miles and stuff, because they're doing strides. They're going in longer distances. But like me, I run like this. These guys run boom, boom, boom. All right, so you get that boom, boom, boom versus boom, 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 boom. So what I'm trying to do is be like boom, 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 and make it to the end and burn some calories in the interim. But I have bad knees. I tore meniscus in both my knees at some point. Had to take 9 months off from doing any type of sports because of it. And sometimes it's pain, sometimes it's not. I wear knee braces now and then, but this is supposed to alleviate all that because of the tech in it. Hard rubber on the toes here. Right under it, a carbon fiber plate, very solid. Right under that, Zoom Air units, two pockets under that, and all Zoom X throughout. All the cushioning is Zoom X all the way up and through. See-through mesh, some new technology that they got, and light laces here, very light. These are the watermelon colorway. It's the newest colorway that they just came out with. Again, these are very limited. I think only Dick's Sporting Goods, Nike, and a couple other sites had them. Like maybe some specialty running shops or whatever. There's great padding right here on the ankle, on the ankle part. I mean on the back heel. Nice padding there, which is great. I need that because I do get scratched up. This is solid. This is anyway. So supposedly these are wide foot friendly, so you're getting good support here. This is wide enough for me. This is what I'm concerned about because my friend and I both got the same pairs. I got my wife a pair too. So this is the only thing I'm concerned about because it looks like this has to do some stretching for me to get into it. And this is not your typical fly knit or anything like that. It's lighter and it doesn't look as flexible or pliable. But we'll figure that out when we go for the wear test out with these. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on those. But yeah, overall, bro, these are crazy. And I feel like, you know, it changed the game as far as running. Marathoners have broken records, and I'm hearing that other running teams are using this shoe in their runs. So Adidas runners and all that stuff, and they put tape over the Nike check, which kind of draws more attention to it, in my opinion. So do what you got to do. Nike, amazing with the technology. These were banned from the Olympics, but they let them back in since they put them in retail, since they put them out in limited quantities and charged damn near $275 for this shoe. It was crazy, like just thinking that much for a running shoe. Cause I paid $165 for my last one. They were some Brooks running shoes. I like them a lot, and I've had them for about 2 years now because I run in the gym usually, and I've taken, you know, with the quarantine and all that stuff, I haven't been running a lot, and the soles on them are great. The support is good. They're kind of bulky, but they're light in the same way. These things, man, like both of these put together is about the same weight as one of those shoes. My wife runs in Mizuno's and Asics. She has 2 pairs for that. And I run in the Brooks shoes, or I run in just Nike cross trainers that I have. This is the first actual running shoe that I bought in a while. And just to give you some context, I couldn't find the other one, but I had these Zoom Flies for a while, which is one of my favorite shoes. I wore this out. I still have another pair. These are just Zoom Fly. These Zoom Flies are a more economical version of the Next Percent runners that they put out. The first one with the Nike Zoom X in it, which is the foam here. These had just a standard foam. It's a little softer. It's a little firmer and stuff, but it still was comfortable. Has thicker pliable mesh. I wore these very casually, and they were great just for, you know, I went on vacation in these a few times, hiking in them. Kind of all around shoe for me, but very stripped down model. And I really like these. I had 2 pairs. I had some special edition ones that really were crazy. I sold them all. Had 3 pairs of them. Zoom Pi Zoom Pi SP something. But they were really nice shoes. These have had these for a couple of years now, and again, on a casual basis, these did the job. So, but these right here, we can't wait to put these on and test them at the track. And I will definitely come back on an update, so check back in the next video. Otherwise, tell me what you think about these. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Are they too expensive? $275, I believe, for a running shoe. Basically like $300 if you think about it, after U.S. taxes and everything. So, what do you think? Let me know. And like, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll get back to you in the next one. This is H with 12 Hub TV. Peace.